Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. In this video, we're giving a quick revisit of the Dinosaur Marble run to show you scenes 4 and 5 in action. I think this is a fun toy and would make a great Christmas present for your kid. Look for them on Amazon at a great price for Black Friday.
Okay, we're going to try scene 4 here. Let's see.
Thank you to all who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button, subscribe for more videos. We're trying to reach 250 subscribers by the end of November. Only 29 more to go. I had a lot of fun with these scenes. The scenes are pretty basic, but you just drop the marbles in and watch them go. My only wish is that the directions gave you more information on construction, or at least several more views of each build. Hopefully you can watch my video for all the information you need to build those last 2 scenes.
Okay, that's all it is. Let's see what it is. I don't think it's really tiny, but... Alright, let's do what it can do. Just put a punch in one time to do that. Oh, that's kind of cool. Alright. Let's say a pretty successful scene. It's basic. One more time. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, scene 5, right there. Okay, sorry. Let's house marbles in, see what happens. Yeah. Okay. 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 See if I can get like I do anymore. There we go. Let's try it here. Yeah, okay. Oh, perfect. Oh, that one wasn't quite perfect. Let's see how this looks behind it. Nope, that actually happens in real marble runs all the time. Okay. Let's see if it's how big a problem it is here. Yep, it's going to have to be rotated a little bit further down. sometimes it works. Sometimes not so much. It just needs to be almost in between spaces there. Okay. Let's slow fasten here a little bit. Give a little more of a bird's eye view here. Okay, just want to make sure you can see the whole marble around here. And that's what she looks like. Okay, so I don't know if you could see, but the blue one is what we call flip-flopper or 50-50. In theory, half marble should go one way and half go the other, but in practice, even on the much more expensive, more elaborate marble runs, oftentimes do not perform the way you'd like them to, but yep. See that shifted them all. A lot of times end up being more like so 50-50 is more like 40-60s or 20-80s. It just depends. Yeah, so you're supposed to flip flop them back and forth. Yeah. That one. Anyway, you can see with these last two scenes how all this functions. So even if you don't have a marble run that's continuous, I think it's still fun, and the kids would still have fun just dropping marbles down and seeing where they end up. Alright, thanks again for watching.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.